What is an email autoresponder? Hi everyone. Today, I have for you a video of another one of those strange marketing words that marketers love to use these days. In the digital marketing world, we tend to hear all the time the term email autoresponder. This is an extremely important piece whenever you're planning an email marketing campaign. Using it wisely can even be your secret key to boost your sales. But what is that really? Just like the name suggests, autoresponders are software or platforms that automatically respond and send newsletters or messages via email to a certain group of contacts. This is so useful because now you don't have to be responding to your messages one by one. An autoresponder will do that for you. Now, you're probably wondering, how do they do that? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Any autoresponder platform you choose lets you design your newsletters, create a contact list, and set triggers to send them out. These triggers are small actions that your audience does, like when they join your list, or when they abandon their shopping cart, and other actions like these. On the other hand, you can program your autoresponders to be sent out on certain dates and schedules, so that you can keep your subscribers informed and happy. You can use autoresponders to let them know about your latest news, your discounts, or simply let them know who you are and what you can do for them. So far, it sounds like a pretty useful tool, right? Well, there are more benefits that you can get from an autoresponder. It can become your ally and help you communicate in a much easier and faster way with your clients, meaning that they'll stay happy and you don't have to worry about answering and attending them. You'll be saving a lot of time. When you're using autoresponders, you can automate a lot of other stages of your email marketing to provide the best customer service you can imagine. If you keep your audience satisfied and provide them with what they truly need, they'll become clients. Eventually, those clients will become frequent and loyal clients. They'll tell their friends about you and will have nothing but good things to say when they review your brand. You'll be able to see all of these positive results from your email marketing campaign reflected in your sales. So, an autoresponder, well used, will lead you to maximize your return of investment and boost your sales. There are several good autoresponders out there. I use aWeber, and my affiliate link is in the description below if you would like a free trial. If this video is helpful, be sure and click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future.